Hey guys, welcome to episode 46, and on today's episode, we are taking a look at bottom roller replacement procedures and then also basic maintenance care. Now, everything that you're about to see does work for the NP4 and also the NP10 Skiving machine. So let's take a look. So the very first thing that we are going to do is simple, easy, and that is to clean the bottom roller while it is in the machine. Move the edge guide out of the way and remove the presser foot from the machine. Use a steel wire brush to remove any leather remnants on the roller. Adjust the roller by turning the hand wheel and continue to scrub away any extra particles. And that's all there is to it to keep your bottom roller clean and free from debris. Now let's take a look at how to change out your bottom roller. Start by removing the screws from your side plate. Unhook the spring-loaded pressure lever and loosen the black handle center pin screw and pull back the roller bracket center arm pin. Now, carefully remove the entire roller bracket arm. This is the rolling driver shaft joint, and it is best to wipe away all the dirt and grease and then set aside. Now is a great time to give everything a good wipe down with a brush, and here we are going to save this roller as a backup and give it a cleaning before it goes into storage. So here are the two roller styles available from Leather Machine Company. The ceramic stone is your everyday use, and all types of leather work with it. The rubber roller is used for fine and light soft leather. To remove the bottom roller, use a 5mm Allen wrench to unscrew the bolt and the roller slides off. You would change this roller when it is no longer parallel with the blade. It will show signs of wear and tear and a gap will form, but this is not common to replace often. Just a reminder, please make sure to keep all the parts together so you don't lose anything. Give the roller shaft and washer a good cleaning because we are going to add oil and grease to it before going on to a new roller. When putting the bottom roller back into place, this oiling hole needs to line up with the roller shaft oiling hole as well. The bottom roller should rotate freely and not wiggle back and forth in any manner. Now for the rolling driver shaft joint, add some fresh grease on the top and bottom ball heads. The shaft joint connects inside to this rolling driving shaft. The other end inserts into the bottom roller. Key things to understand and watch for when putting everything back together is this arm center screw and this roller bracket center arm pin. Now carefully insert the roller bracket arm back into place and line all the pins back up and push them into place. This roller bracket center arm pin has a flat side, and that should be facing outwards because this allows the center pin screw to lock it in place. Now to check everything, the center arm pivots like normal, and make sure that there is absolutely no back and forth movement or sliding of the arm. Connect the spring-loaded pressure lever, and now let's get the bottom roller back to normal positioning. Use the two adjustment knobs to bring the roller closer to the blade and make sure it's parallel. Run the machine to make sure you have everything running smooth, and then attach the side plate. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope this information has helped. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. That does help this channel grow, and I'll see you on next week's episode. Take care.